the discussion between the negative space and also the falling part that is like occupying this flatness in a way.
And kind of putting order in something that's like completely unordered. It's like circles put in a square, with like removing parts of the circles which are like cubes. It's like kind of adding things together which don't fit.
Space is made by people. When you have like the interaction with the public, it makes it give more sense because circulation is all around. These towers come to create this link between the flat aspect and the public in a way, to create a subtle connection.
You have to be able to look at the piece from like every possible angle, but the space being so huge that every angle is like kind of unpredictable, so at the same time you're like playing with 7 towers. Even as big as they are, they're kind of quite small compared to like the 1,007 square meters space. So
the flow is like coming through the experience more than the actual materiality, which makes sense to fit in the theme and to make sense to the overall